So this is what I got from Walmart. And Cool Sculpting, all they do is really literally freeze off your fat. They use a special type of machine to do it, and that's just how it goes down. Now, what you're going to need is a waist trainer. I already took it out of the box right here, but this is the one I got, and I got this stuff from Walmart. Now, I got the 10-inch wide because I have a lot of gut. I am I am so big. My stomach is so big. People think I'm pregnant, and I got to get rid of this. So but this was like $8 to $9 between that. $8 to $9, and that's the one I have because you're gonna need this to hold your packs. Now, I went to Sporting Goods and got these freeze packs because they did not have them in pharmacy. The kind they had in pharmacy was the gel kind and the gel packs. And I didn't want the gel packs because, you know, when it's in the gel pack, it will begin to melt and it start moving around underneath your waist trainer. And I want it to stay in place and target a certain area. So I got these. These were in Sporting Goods and they were 94 cents each. And I got 6 of them to go all around the front of my waist and my stomach and my side. But as you see, they're too cold. Look at this. So I'm not going to put them on right on me. I'm going to let them thaw out for at least about 10 minutes before I put them on me. And that's what it is. So it was under $20. All of this stuff was under $20, you all. So yeah, what you're going to do first is get the waist trainer and wrap it around. I think this is the easier way to do it. Put it around your waist as tight as you can. If you need help, grab somebody to help you. But I want to put this on first instead of the ice packs, just because I want it to be as tight as possible and so it can be secured. So what I'm doing now is trying to adjust it and trying to fix it. You may have to pull it up on one side to even it out. You know, kind of tweak it the way you want to let it work out, you know, for what's best for you at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm pulling my shirts down because you want to keep the shirt on. You don't want to put it directly on your skin because you want to avoid frostbite. You don't want that. It can mess you up and you can get burnt from that. So you have to leave a shirt on while doing this and put your waist trainer on. You have to have something to protect your skin, so your shirts will be protecting your skin. So as you see, I'm trying to work it out, figure it out, and, you know, all that old good stuff, and adjust it to the best of my ability. And also, y'all going to go through with me every step of the way. As y'all can tell, I have a very big stomach, look like I'm pregnant, and I'm not. I'm just fat. So these are the ice packs I got. I got those, as I showed y'all, for 97 cents. At Walmart, and I got the kind in a bottle instead of the packs, so the packs won't be moving around once the ice melts, and since it's in a bottle, it'll stay put. So as you see, I'm putting them all in, okay, and you see how easy that is to just drop them down in the waist trainer instead of trying to adjust it with the ice packs on it and putting that waist trainer on. So I figured to put the waist trainer on first and then drop them down. And so, yeah, I'm just dropping them down, trying to fit them the best way possible. You know, just trying to make sure that everything is all good and it doesn't mess up. But this is going to be a long process. Now, they say you're supposed to see results within 3 to 4 weeks. And I've seen a lot of videos and everybody says the same thing. So once I do this every single day, y'all start the journey with me. Go ahead and do that. Start the journey with me. I have one more left, and I'm going to throw that in there. I wasn't going to use it, but I'm going to throw it in anyway. So, yeah. So, as you can see, I wanted to go ahead and get some Saran Wrap because I wanted to hold as best as possible and real sturdy. Like I said, if you can get somebody to help you, it will be much better. And, of course, I didn't have no help around, so I have to try to do this the best way possible. But this is just to secure it even more because I may be a little bit busy. I may be walking around or something. And I just want the Saran Wrap to hold it in place just in case I'm, you know, doing something that will get a little busy. And that way the jugs of ice won't fall out from the bottom or anything. It's just really to secure it so I can feel the coldness Because mind you, I have on 2 shirts, but you always have to leave on a shirt just to keep that, barrier. But also, make sure you subscribe, hit the ring bell so you never miss an upload. Until then, I'll see y'all some other time.